The story of Earth begins with the birth of the solar system. Billions of years ago, a massive cloud of gas and dust floated through space. Over time, gravity caused this cloud to collapse inward. As it shrank, more and more material gathered at the center, and the temperature kept rising. Eventually, the pressure became so intense that the sun was formed. Around this young sun, the remaining gas and dust spread out into a spinning, flattened disk known as a protoplanetary disk. Inside this disk, tiny dust particles began to collide and stick together due to static forces. Slowly, these particles grew larger and formed small bodies called planetesimals. As they increased in size, reaching several kilometers across, their gravity became strong enough to pull in more material. Through constant collisions and merging, they formed larger bodies called protoplanets. One of these protoplanets eventually became Earth around 4.6 billion years ago. Not long after its formation, Earth experienced a massive collision with another young planet, often called Theia. This impact was incredibly powerful. Theia was destroyed, and much of its material combined with Earth, increasing Earth's size and mass. At the same time, a huge amount of debris was thrown into orbit around Earth. This debris eventually came together to form the Moon. In its early days, the Moon was much closer to Earth, about 25,000 kilometers away, and it was extremely hot, with active volcanoes and flowing lava. Over time, the gravitational interaction between Earth and the Moon caused major changes. The Moon became tidally locked, meaning it always shows the same face to Earth. Gradually, it also moved farther away and cooled down, becoming the quiet, inactive world we see today. Now, the Moon is about 384,000 kilometers away from Earth, and it continues to drift away at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters per year.